Don't touch your
Hey, Matt.
What was that, Carter?
Where did it go?
It went way over the fence.
I've actually seen one fly that far.
Over the other wall too, or no?
No,
I was gonna say that'd be one hell of a shot.
Cheers.
Do it. There you go.
Nah.
She kind of needs something to drink.
Anybody else?
I'll take a glass, yeah.
I think Carter wants a foxtail.
Prosecco. Where do you even get a foxtail?
Keith's school.
I can bring one home for you.
That'd be fun.
Or you just take this one for a while.
Shadow used to have one. Jack and Trudy's old dog.
Oh no, that's on top of the rope.
I think you meant Mika. I'm not. I don't. Whoop. It's gone.
Where's it, Carter? Where's it, bro?
Oh no.
What happened?
On the rope.
Carter, where is it?
Can you walk on these roughs?
Probably not.